Okay, good morning, brother sister. Okay, I hope that you are in a good condition, sehat-sehat ya. Ya, brother sis, we all the materials of the management class. We know of the franchise. Okay, do you hear about the franchise? Okay, franchise the same as is waralaba. Jadi franchise itu ini Indonesia adalah waralaba ya, udah sering denger deh ini. Ya, okay, what is the understandings? What is the means about the franchise? Okay, definition franchise come from the French language, a phrase which mean to a free which mean to liberties. Jadi franchise itu adalah bebas ya, dari bahasa Prancis. Okay, what the meaning is the franchise may also be divided as a system of the marketing or distribution of goods and service in which a franchisor give to other franchise. Okay, relates to implement a particular business system in a way that has been determined. Okay, for a certain time, somewhere, the definition of the franchise, yeah, a personals or institutions, yeah, they she or he has a product, the goods or service, and we try to know with franchise the another man's, another woman's, another person. The freelance implements of the particulars are the business system in the franchise. Bagi-bagi keuntungan ya istilahnya. Oke, yuk kita lanjut with the basic terms of the franchising. Yeah, okay. The franchisor, the franchise, the franchise agreement. The meaning is business entirety on the individual who give rights to other parties to use the right character on the business owner. Jadi salah satu atau ini ya bukan perusahaan juga sih, bisa ya individu atau perusahaan yang you have no the goods or the service, okay, yang mempunyai produk, kemudian produk itu bisa di franchisors, bisa di franchise ke another person or another factory. Jadi sama ya, nanti di all franchise. Okay, I will skip some examples about the goods or the service. Okay, franchise is a business entity or individual who is granted the right to utilize or exercise the franchisor this right. Jadi antara franchisor sama franchise harus the symbiosis mutualisme begitu ya. Okay, franchise agreement is an agreement that's bind the franchisor and receive. Harus sama-sama ya mempunyai the highest with franchise agreement. Okay, and the mains about the main holders, the franchise master franchise. Okay, the main holders, the franchise license or the interest to operate the franchise in the working areas. Jadi harus tahu ya areanya. Oke, sekarang what is the types of the franchising? Nih, tipe-tipenya. Ya, number one, the international franchise to be franchised because the system on the clears brand have the be established the different parts the word and precise to the prepositions. Okay, and number 2, the domestic. There is international, there is the domestic franchise, ya. Berupa apa? Investments. Yeah, the people who want to quickly become entrepreneurs but do not have enough knowledge, and the continual business provided by the franchisor. Tadi yang sudah saya ungkapkan ya, antara franchisor sama franchise have the relation in symbiosis mutualisme. Oke, lanjut ya. Ya, the franchising criteria. Nih, ada kriterianya, ada franchise industrial. Kemudian, franchise industrial between manufacturer companies and wholesaler. Okay, the first generation, the franchise relationship between manufacturing companies and retailers. Jadi ada wholesalers, ada retailers. Nah, ini yang the third is business franchise between wholesaler and retailer. The last, business franchise between fellow retailer. Okay, do you remember about the franchising criteria? The four ya. The franchise industrial, kemudian the general franchise, kemudian business franchise between wholesaler retailer, and the last, the between fellow retailer. Oke, bisa dilanjut ya. Oke, franchising benefit, ini keuntungan. Nah ini yang tadi udah saya bilang. New business will get a business plan with a clear direction from the franchisor. Ada get capital have, kemudian profit is high, mempunyai keuntungan yang lebih tinggi ya. The standardization kualitinya juga harus bagus. Nah, get managementnya. Nah, di sini keuntungannya bisa kita lihat. Oke, apa sih the franchise weakness? Kalau yang tadi ada benefitnya, profitnya, sekarang ada weaknessnya. Masih ada ya. Oke, be independence. Oke, not independence. Creativity does not develop. Easy effective by franchisor change. Ya, be independent itu mendominasi yang punya franchisornya gitu. Kemudian not independent nggak bisa. Ya, dia depend on, tidak bisa berdiri sendiri. Kemudian kreativitasnya untuk mengembangkannya juga nggak bisa karena dia based on the franchise, ikut yang the dominates. Oke. Nah ini the sum of the franchise, ada beberapa contoh nih. Oke ya, kita bisa ngeliat ada kebab Turki, nah dan sebagainya. Oke, ini salah satu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dan sebagainya. Oke guys, we try to the franchise in your environments. What is the product? What is the good service? Combines the contents of the franchise or not? Nanti di lingkungan tuh dicari ya, ini termasuk franchise apa enggak begitu. Oke, berarti sister. The summary is the franchise. Franchise is a form of business cooperative conducted by two parties. Jadi tetap ada dua kubu ya. Where the first party, franchisor, yang pertama itu adalah franchisor yang punya, and the second party is franchises. Yang dijual apa? To sell product or service. Oke. By utilizing the trademark owned by the first party, between the franchisor and the franchise with the produce or system provide, harus mempunyai keuntungan, harus sama-sama menyediakan gitu ya. The business is a reciprocity whereby each party is obliged to perform mutually beneficial performance. Jadi ya tadi udah kita bahas the franchise, ya, two section. The first is the profits, ya, the second is the weakness. Jadi ada kelebihannya, ada kelemahannya. Oke, brother sister, tugasnya adalah ya brother sister ya will try ya shots mencari goods or service ya indicates by franchise or not. Nanti dicari di situ. Oke ya, I think enough. So I think that's the all material you always study hard of the franchise and etc. Okay, please forgive me. See you next time. Okay, and goodbye. See you.